Are you gearing up to tackle a home improvement project? No matter your level of expertise, remember that the key to success lies in having access to the right tools and expert advice. Join us in a conversation with home expert Kimberly Williams, Senior Vice President of Retail Operations at Williams Lumber and Home Centers, as she shares valuable tips to kickstart your project with confidence and ensure a successful outcome.
We're not a big box, we're a small box. And we'll greet you with a big smile and walk down the aisle and ask you questions to help you find what you're looking for, hold your hand to help you with your project from start to finish, and we're considered the friendly hardware folks. My grandfather started the business in 1946. My father grew the business to several locations in the Hudson Valley and Catskill region. I am now third generation. We want our customers to ask questions. We're the experts. We want to answer all your questions that you have. Our slogan is, nail it right the first time. I'm sure you've heard, measure twice, cut once. So make sure that you nail it right the first time.
As you step through the doors, you are immediately filled with inspiration. Each aisle showcases a diverse range of high-quality products designed to elevate home improvement.
We believe investing in quality products leads to long-term satisfaction, like Benjamin Moore and Delgado Stone.
Williams Lumber and Home Center is an ideal distributor of our product because of the service they provide, the knowledge that they have. When customers come in, they can ask questions, they get the information, they're getting honest insight, and that's what's important, so they know when they take this product home, they're going to be happy with it each time. Our product, Natural Stone, is meant to last a lifetime, meant to last forever, and we want our relationship with Williams Lumber and Home Centers to also last forever. So they go hand in hand and they work nicely together, and we're looking forward to working together for years to come.
For about 25 years now, Williams Lumber and Home Centers have been distributing Benjamin Moore products. They know the products inside and out. They're experts with the product knowledge and color expertise, and have all the tools that you'll need to complete your projects. Since our founding in 1883, we as a company have partnered with independently owned businesses like Williams Lumber and Home Centers, and they have a vested interest in their customer base. They're a true partner with us in the industry. We provide great products, they provide excellent service.
All 7 locations, each staffed with dedicated, seasoned associates, are strategically placed throughout the beautiful Hudson Valley in New York, about 1 hour north of New York City.
Williams Lumber is blessed to have associates that have been with my father since he was here as a young person. We have people that have been with us for 20, 30, 45, 50 years. And that is what makes us a true family business. Our customers will pass the big boxes and come to our store because we provide wonderful customer service. And it's not an echo in the store when they're looking for someone to help them. But the other reason why is it's a long walk in that parking lot to leave when you don't find what you're looking for.
Williams Lumber isn't just your ordinary hardware store. For more than 75 years, it has stood as a beacon of community pride and service. With an unwavering commitment to its communities, this company has forged deep connections with its customers and the areas it serves.
We definitely have generations of customers here. We have people that contractors have started, and their grandsons or granddaughters are working in the business with them. We have customers that have moved out of the area, but their children still remain here. It is truly a community-oriented business. We live in our community, we work in our community, and we give back to our community. If it wasn't for our community that supported us in all of our years in business, we wouldn't be who we are today. And it is important that we give back to them. We support our Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts, our firemen, our police, our veterans, VFW, American Legions. If we didn't have them, we wouldn't be who we are today, and it's important that we give back. Come visit us in the Hudson Valley or the Catskill region, but if you can't come visit us, make sure you demand quality products, make sure you demand expert service so you can nail it right the first time.
Explore endless inspiration at Williams Lumber and Home Centers by visiting the website at williamslumber.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.